So we going live today, y'all. This was going on. I never do it, but I'm gonna give y'all the whole everything right here up front so y'all can understand what's going on. We're going live today at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, man. We're giving away our truck, our 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 Road Glide for first place. Second place, our 2015 Road Glide powder coated up with everything on there. Third place, $100 cash and 3 entries into the next giveaway. I appreciate everybody for all the support. All the merch will be sent out ASAP. I'm doing the stickers all today. Get everything on the way to y'all. So understand that. We are going to be done in like the next hour or so. Probably by the time y'all watching this is probably over with. I'll be finished making the list, having everything done. I'm trying to get out to y'all as soon as possible. It just take a lot of time the way I have to do it on my computer. So understand that. We got everything on the way, man. We're about to go live today. So understand that, man. We're about to make it happen and get it in. It's game time. We got the truck and the bike outside right now looking good. So let me know who coming to claim it today, man. Because I'm telling you, it's game time, man. Y'all see what time it is. I see what time it is, man. Make sure you got your 30 spots today only, man. It's game time. After that, it's a wrap, y'all. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it, man. Today is the final day, man. We are going live today. If you're watching this right now, just know you probably got about 30 minutes or an hour to get into the final silver bullet giveaway, man. Because after this, it's a wrap. We are going live today at 6 p.m. If you have not found your numbers, it's going to be on the community page. If it's not uploaded yet, I'm still doing it. But like I was saying in my last video, I'm going to try to get it out as soon as possible, first thing in the morning, so everybody can find their names and numbers, so we can go from there. If we don't get everything done in time before 6, we're probably going to have to push the giveaway to first thing Saturday morning, just so everybody into the giveaway can get all their names and numbers. I want everybody to feel involved who paid their money. So that's the whole thing about it, man. We got to make it happen. It's game time. We've been waiting long enough, and we finally got our rims and everything else. That's why I'm in the garage right now, late night, trying to get to it. I didn't upload 2 videos today. Went live twice, a gang of stuff, running around, handling everything, but it don't stop, man. We got to keep it going. That's why we in here making it happen, man. So let me show y'all what's going on right now, because we finally got our joints in the garage. We got our 23 with the 18 back there, locked and loaded. We're about to go ahead and put our rotors on. I'm gonna finish completing these bags for this bike with the front end. We got our 2019 Road Glide. We're about to put these wheels on. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got everything on the way, man. We got our back rim in the powder coat for this bike. We got our front 21 supposed to arrive any day now. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, we're about to get that primary situation done today. After probably before the giveaway, if not, it's going to be after. But either way, we're about to get it done. We got the first startup coming sooner than later, so stay tuned for that. I cannot wait, man. It's game time. It's time to go up and make it happen, man. I'm telling y'all. You watching this, you better get in and win it right now and get your 20 spots before it's up, because we're giving away first place with our truck, 2015 Silverado, paired together with our 2019 Road Glide. Second place, we're giving away our 2015 Road Glide right here, powder coated up with the black and purple. Third place, you're getting $100 plus 3 entries into the next giveaway. So understand that, man. We are bringing it to the table. All you got to do is get in to win it, man. I'm telling y'all, we slide it, not hide it. What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. It's game day. It's finally Friday, man. We're going live today, giving away the bikes right here. I hope everybody tuned into my live or at least checked it out. Like I said this morning, all entries literally from 12 o'clock this morning, from 3:31, all today. All entries is 30 entries for $25 while you can before we go live. I did that just to give y'all some extra support, just because y'all support me so much. So it's like I want to help y'all like y'all help me out, man. So literally, all today you get 30 entries because I only got a few stickers left. I had about 20 something stickers, last call SLIDN stickers left. So I'm trying to sell those out today before we go live within the next 2 hours. So understand that I'm gonna have the list and the names and numbers out by 12 o'clock the latest. It really take a lot of time because I've been doing all my merch from so long ago. Usually all the data is on my computer, but my computer is broke, so it's hard to tell right now. But I gotta type each name and number one by one, so it takes some time. But anyway, we're gonna do what we gotta do, get it done, and go live and give away the bike. Time it is, man. We are getting it in. We got everything up in here looking good. We finally got the rim on there. I had to take the fender off because it was rubbing, but luckily I have some risers right there. So we're about to lift that thing up off of there to have that thing rolling and riding. I got the bars in the house wired up. I gotta throw them on the bike. Like I said, we're gonna get the fairing and the bags going for this joint. So stay tuned, man. It's game time. We're about to make it happen, y'all. I cannot wait, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We done got the bike somewhat together. It's not fully complete yet, but I tried to assemble as many pieces as possible to give y'all the full vision of what I'm going for so y'all can really see live in the flesh today, because I'm telling you, we're going live today. So make sure you get your 30 spots right now for $25 before the next hour, because I'm telling you, once it's done, man. Y'all see what time it is. We got the joint outside looking good, man. Let me know who coming to get this joint, man. We got the bike with the 23 and the 18. Hi. We got them side by side for the first time, man. Do y'all see what time it is, man? Because I definitely can feel the temperature outside, and it's heating up, man. Telling y'all, man, we got the whole combination for you, man. We got the truck with the bike, man. All you got to do is enter the win in the description below, because I'm telling you, if you're watching this, it's probably a little too late, but get in while you can, because I'm telling you, today is the day, man. Y'all see what time it is. We got the bike powder coated up black with that fresh paint. Everything is looking good. The 18 in the back is hidden. It's looking amazing. I can't wait to get that exhaust and hear that first fire up. Shout out to my boy Ali, full with a 2. He helped me with that motor, man. He is a beast, man. Check my boy out. But y'all see what's going on, man. We are getting it in, making it happen, man. It's game time today. We got first place right here, 2019 ROADGLIDE paired together with our 2015 Silverado, looking good, beefed up. Second place, we got our 2015 ROADGLIDE right here, powder coated with the washers and the chrome Allens. Everything is coming together. It's on the flow, man. You see what time it is. Third place, we are giving away $100 cash with 3 entries into the next giveaway. So understand that, man. We're sliding, not hiding, getting it, making it happen. I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and upload this video so y'all can hurry up and see everything and understand what's going on before we go live today, because it's going down today, man. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. Y'all see what time it is, man. We about to get it in and make it happen, man. So stay tuned, y'all.